ready?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ready?
Well, yes. We're getting ready to go get some breakfast, and we are in Freeport today. Are we in Freeport yet? What time is it? We're not probably there yet.
7:21. I don't think we're there quite yet.
We should be able to get off around 8:15 or something. So we have an 8:30 excursion. We're gonna go swim and see fishy things.
And drink.
Something we've never done before. Just so exciting and new, uncharted territory.
It's our favorite thing to do in Freeport, though.
That's true. We're going over to the Bahamas Adventures Beach Club, which is booked through the ship. I don't think you can book it directly.
No.
So it's called Beach Day. Yes, actually it was on sale when we bought it.
It's like a promo thing.
Beach getaway with open bar.
Make sure you eat a lot of breakfast if you just do that.
We're getting ready to do that. There is the food option, but we didn't get it. And there's the option to go with no food, no drink, but So we're off to get some breakfast. We're gonna try the dining room.
Yes.
And hopefully they're quick. And that's all I know.
Yeah.
So, bye. We're gonna get some food, and then we're going to the beach. I hit you with my hat.
Bye.
Ooh, pastries and sausage and bacon and eggs, and I'm excited. We have arrived in the Freeport. We have the Norwegian Sky in with us today. I also see, yep, there it is, a Bahamas Paradise ship. Not sure exactly a one, but we are ready for some Freeporting. Comes the rest of the gang. Right over here in this zone by the blue building, actually just past it, should be where we gather for excursions. Yep, I see all the signs. Open bar, look at that. All right, last tent, they said. So last tent, here we are. It's the wibbly wobbly bus. We're on a bus?
We're on the top deck of the double-decker bus.
There's a song about it too. I didn't know that. That's a good song. Apparently we're going somewhere. Bye, sorry everybody. No, we're just moving forward.
My name is DJ. I'm the driver. My colleagues came upstairs with you guys, and name is Maurice.
What is that horrifying noise? Oh, there we go. Yay! I think they finally exterminated that dinosaur that was in the engine. Woo!
It was the speakers.
Oh, okay.
All located on the door, so you won't get confused, okay? Find the restaurant and bar located right in the center.
We are at the beach. Beach? Wobbly beach spin. Well, we're getting ready. All right, we got our open bar menu. Looks a little different than last time, but I think it's the same stuff. They just updated the menu. So we ordered some drinks, but Ricky and I are on a mission. We're gonna go get a drink so that we can have a drink while we're waiting on our drink to come. Living that life, you know what I mean? So, I'll live it up. Whoa, party shot. See, I got you a drink too while you wait for your drink. What are you doubling up back there? Holy moly, I only have one.
He went to the bar while we were waiting for a drink and got another one. So I have Bahama Mama.
Bahama Mama.
Which is kind of sour. And then I got a Love Boat, which is good.
That's how you do in Freeport. I know, double drinking it. All right, we're starting our water mode in Freeport with Attack of the Birds. Look at y'all, y'all so cute. Well, it's not terribly warm or sunny today, so. Oh, that is refreshing. My feet are like legitimately frozen right now. Wow. Are you gonna make it down is the question. None of y'all are gonna make it. Well, All right, she just froze herself.
Oh, it's not that cold.
Boys are weaker when it comes to cold water. So we got stuff that we don't talk about, okay? We just don't discuss it. I hope she's not seeing anything good because she never did take her camera.
Don't have the camera.
She's probably seeing the awesomest fish in the world right now. She's like, no. You have to go out pretty deep in order to get the fish, I think. All right, now she took the GoPro. She is gonna go get all them awards. She's going over to the grasslands over there to see some fish. A little dark today.
Oh, we didn't charge it.
You didn't charge your GoPro? Oh my gosh, these amateurs. Y'all, I don't know what to do with these people. You gotta charge your GoPros every night. They'll eventually be pros. So right now you're Go Amateurs, not
right.
GoPros.
Go amateurs.
Yeah, the water's so warm, it's nice. All right, Chloe's coming out to see us. I saw Molly up there, but she's not quite adventuring out. Slow motion spin time. Slow motion Freeport spin. Ooh, it's getting cloudy. It might rain on our heads, and Justin Bieber's playing, so I don't know what's worse, the weather or Justin Bieber on the radio. Oh, look, they went from Justin Bieber to Justin Bieber. How about that? Look at that variety. Thanks, Freeport. You know I need my Justin Bieber fix. All right, Laura's like way 100 miles away. Dee's in Cuba by now, so.
Where's she standing up?
I don't know. Well, oh, she's right here. She passed us. Yep, that's her. Bye. See ya. Oh, I never know where she is. I'll turn around, I'll be like, oh, she's in Aruba. Cool. All right, we got Stephan and Sierra in the swim. Chloe's in the swim. Molly was running down the beach, so I don't know where she went. I told her she could do cross country down the beach. She's fine. She just glares every time I say cross country. Oh, come on, Ricky. What do you mean? Boo, 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 boo.
I love the Justin Bieber.
Oh, man, me too. I love everything about Canada. Justin Bieber's questionable. What's the preliminary fish report?
There's some.
Yeah.
There's like a lot of grass over there, so that's where they are.
Like,
Laura's way out there. I hope she's okay.
I know. Oh, birds! Birds! Gosh. Well, if y'all were looking for birds, I found some.
I think she's okay.
Yeah, she's sure.
Are you okay? Okay.
She's not
I'll
a
just
great
scream
swimmer.
really loud. Like, are you okay?
You don't have to swim back to Port Canaveral. The boat will take us there.
Oh, there's
Okay, bye, Laura. See you in Port Canaveral. She's fine.
yeah.
She'll be fine. Nick,
There's like a couple different
Nick
things.
Cannon is out there.
It's like Justin Bieber hour.
Gosh, it
That's
is.
what we're just talking about.
I know.
It's like that's all they're playing.
Oh, what do you mean? Pew, 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 pew.
I'm gonna go check them.
Okay, well, I was having a dance party, but cool. It's all a blur, huh?
Back in Nassau.
Yep. So you're not sure how you ended up out at sea. All right. Well, too many.
Kept going.
I'm tired.
Too many Mai Tais and she's out at sea. Well, it's Aquaman. Hey, Aquaman.
I don't recommend swimming to Cuba.
Yeah, that's what she.
We looked up and she was like, she was out at a buoy.
I was like, we gotta go get her.
We didn't know where she was
You
going.
didn't know it? That's a long swim.
Is it deep?
Yes, it's
It gets a little deeper out
You
there.
only tread.
Dee found some lost and found.
Oh, did she?
Okay.
I found sunglasses.
Well, who knows if those were lost today or a billion years ago.
You turn
But,
them in.
all
They
right.
were way down there. I dove
Cool.
down and got them. Like, all right, I'll be nice. New sunglasses.
Nice. All right, we'll turn these in. I'll wear them until we turn them in. That's a good look right there. Man, I got glasses on, glasses on, glasses on,
I
glasses
found
on,
those glasses
glasses.
under the water.
Is this a good look for me or
Way
what?
over there.
That's all.
Yeah, way over there. I dove down and
Good
got
look.
them.
I think
Like maybe
so.
I'll find some like Ray-Bans.
See if y'all find some more. I'll just keep stacking them.
That'd be awesome. I'll see what I can do.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's more out there.
Well, Ricky is coming out with 2 fistful of drinks.
Come back and help Sierra.
What in the world? You brought one to me and not Laura? I see. Look at that.
Bring me two.
I like how Ricky brought me one and not Laura one, but that's all right.
I thought she was out snorkeling.
Dink.
There wasn't nothing to see.
I almost swam to Cuba. What am I mean?
Dink. Yeah, we almost lost you, so it was almost the last time we ever saw Laura in a vlog.
Did you videotape me way out there?
Yeah, a little bit.
Did you go?
You know we don't use videotape anymore, but I like to say I like to use the word tape as well.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm like, man, I got that on tape, and I'm like, no, I didn't.
Is it beta?
It's Betamax.
Is it beta, Betamax?
Yeah. Oh, Sierra made it out here to us now. How you doing, Snorkel?
How you doing?
I was just swimming next to D, and I turned around, looked, and I was like 1,000 feet from you guys. I'm like,
Yep.
what the heck?
Don't hang with her unless you want to be at the next island already. So.
When did you go get drinks?
Well, you know, Ricky comes out here.
Ricky went.
Here, have some refreshments.
Jay a drink, but he didn't get his wife.
You got to keep yourself hydrated. Yeah, he got me a drink and not Laura a drink, so it's fine.
You're supposed to help your wife out, not Jay.
Boys Club.
Boys Club.
I swam to Cuba.
Wait a minute.
You weren't
Y'all
that
know
far.
that he ripped his swim trunks?
Well, we're not supposed to tell everybody that.
You did what?
When I was sitting in the chair earlier, I felt like a little burp right down in, you know, where the seams meet.
Oh no.
So there's
Wait a minute. You ripped your trunks,
Right.
and you got in the water, and you didn't feel the cold water.
I did.
After you were in
That's
the water.
how I knew. There was a little bit of extra draft. No, don't kick me in the butt. She just kicked me in the butt trying to find out where the hole in my trunks is. Don't do
I'm
it.
guessing it's in the seat. Or
It's in the bottom. You know where the four seams meet. They don't meet anymore.
Be careful when he gets out.
All right, I'm all alone in the Bahamas. Ricky and Laura have gone to put their GoPro up and get some drinks. Dee has gone over here because Stephan said that he saw some sea urchins, and Chloe went with them. I'm all alone. So I spin. When I'm all alone, spins happen. Whoa! All right, hold on. Hold on now. So somewhere over there, we're told there's some sea urchins. And somewhere over there, we are told there are some Mai Tais, both of which are about equally as interesting. Now, this is the same beach where Dee saw eagle rays last time, so you never know what might come swimming up and surprise you. All right, Ricky has re-upped the Mai Tai supply, and of course the Coke supply. No Mai Tais.
Oh, no, you're fine.
Oh, here you go.
There is all sorts of stuff over there.
You can share. Yeah, she saw sea urchins and all kinds of stuff at that rock.
On that rock.
I missed that.
So she's seeing all the stuff today. All right, good. After yesterday, you had to get some more awards. You want some more encouragement before you go? It helps you. It's like jet fuel. It helps you go faster.
Thank you.
Yep, that's it.
Did you just make a face at the Mai Tai?
What?
This is the best Mai Tai I've ever had.
Sour.
Well, that's the point.
Sour.
All right, bye. See you later. Woo. She's like, woo.
Go snorkel.
That means bye in snorkel language. I've slowly started speaking snorkel language. Now, why have I got two cups?
Here, we gotta split it.
Oh.
See, he's making us share.
All right, we're splitting this one.
Oh.
Half of it went in the ocean. Enjoy that fish.
There's gonna be drunk fish.
Whoops. All right, Mai Tai spin. This is what we do in Freeport, Mai Tai spins. Woo!
Mai Tai is definitely the best drink out here.
Well, Laura's already had about 50 Mai Tais, so mercy.
I recommend the Mai Tai.
Help us. hope you saw a bunch of good stuff.
I saw like at one point there was like 100 little silverfish in Colorado.
Oh, really? Wow.
Like the bigger one, yeah. I saw a couple of species I've never seen before.
Okay.
We won't talk about what happened over here.
Well, no. We just don't discuss it.
I don't know.
She left for a while, too. It's all right.
How many drinks did you guys have?
Well, Laura's had about 100 Mai Tais. But besides that,
I accidentally ran into somebody I don't know, but I said I'm sorry.
right, she's bumping into people. It's fine. It's fine. All right, Ricky and I have been tasked with the retrieval of the drinks. Ooh, I see somebody, they got a parrot back there they're getting pictures taken with. Yeah, right here, they're taking pictures with a parrot. Ricky, right there.
Oh, I see it.
Right back there. So we've been tasked with the retrieval of drinks for the folks that are in the ocean. Drink retrieval complete. Whoa, look at all that action. Drink delivery service. Call in 1D. Your drink is ready. All right, Laura's going ashore for some reason.
I'm on my knees.
Oh gosh, D just pinched my butt. Why are you pinching my butt? Well, that's rude. You're not supposed to pinch my butt, okay? All right, so I guess we're going ashore. It's not quite time for the bus yet. Well, Laura is having a sand fight with Ricky, but we're gonna go probably grab a drink, sit in a chair, do all sorts of fun stuff. Hey, thank you. We are back from our water adventures. We are enjoying the Mai Tais this time around. I used to recommend the margaritas here, but then I realized tequila kind of gives me heartburn, so we've been doing Mai Tais this time around. Also highly recommended because they mix these to order. They're not some of the pre-mixed stuff in the jugs, so Mai Tais also very good. Are you enjoying the Mai Tais?
Yeah, they're good.
Aw, D is doing the wobble on the beach.
I thought you were Heather.
That's how it goes.
Yeah.
That part's hard to do on the sand.
It's bus time, y'all. I know, it's bus time. We've had a lovely day in Freeport. All right, D is the responsible adult.
You missed all the other footage.
Tristan would not have survived if not for D, so we appreciate that. Oh!
Thank you.
Oh my
drinking?
gosh.
Not me. There's Sarah.
Hey.
Little mini me this year.
That's right. All right, we're on the bus. We're getting ready to go back to the ship.
Yeah.
Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
I hope so.
That's good. I'm the designated character.
You are. You're
Well, no, Heather's doing good too.
Yeah, you're currently the designated.
She's rapping. Tristan's like, aww. You're gonna go to the arcade? Okay.
We are doing some shopping.
Do you want the two turtles?
I'm waiting right here for you.
That'll take your time.
Oh, that's fine.
What's going on?
There's a green one and a brown one. Which one do you want?
All right, we have made it back up to Guy's Burgers. Guy's Burgers sound delicious right about now. Alright, that's me. Thank you.
Alright, so we're going to next time.
Look at all that goodness. Alright, here we go. Oh, deli action, which we are not doing today. And D is rocking that salad.
Trying to.
I might try a few bites of the buffet. Just got a burger with all sorts of side toppings. I ate the fries while I was in line to get fish, chicken, pork, not a salad. Look at all this food. She is getting chocolate. Whoa. Strawberry vanilla froyo time. Good evening.
Hi.
Hello there. So we are all fresh and clean from our adventures in Freeport. How was your Freeport day?
Great. We love that beach. That is definitely our favorite thing to do in Freeport. You go on the excursion through the ship. It's Bahamas Adventures.
Bahamas Adventures Beach Club, I think is the official title, but it's always either called like Beach Getaway, Beach Getaway with open bar, all-inclusive beach getaway.
Yeah, and we got the open bar, but it was the same price as the beach getaway for this particular sailing for some reason. Yeah. Even if you just go for the beach though, it's beautiful. It's white sand, not very many rocks or anything like that, and the water was extremely clear today. Not great for snorkeling, but there is a lot of grassy areas, so you never know what you're going to see, because I did see eagle rays at some point. So we had a great time though. Really, really nice.
Yeah. So now we're gearing up to go have our last dinner of this cruise.
Yeah.
So our last dinner with the fam and the gang and the everybody. Well, Ricky and Laura are continuing on
all
to the
10
next
of us.
leg with us. So last dinner with all 10. Except I think the youngest is going to go eat at Camp Ocean, so it might just be 9 of us tonight.
My little mini me.
I know.
She's so cute.
Anyway, but we're going to go have some dinner, and there's some stuff going on later.
Yeah.
So let's go have some adventures.
Come with us.
Bye.
Bye.
And goodbye, little towel animals. You'll probably be turned into a heart when we come back. A get off our ship heart. So, bye.
They use all those for that.
No, we're going to dinner.
Bye.
Another cruise sometime in the future.
Man, they got them red shot glasses going.
I was with them. You guys weren't in on this.
You guys have fun.
We sat the shots out tonight. We got our shots last night.
Now, as some of you may or may not know, we have a brand new ship coming to Carnival family. Let's see. Mardi Gras!
How are you doing today, guys? You get so far?
Whoa!
We got the tattoo line going. It's looking great.
You gotta be loud to get a glow stick. Okay, that was pretty good, and that was my ear. You gotta be loud and face that way to get a glow stick.
Now you guys are allowed to stand up and get crazy. You don't have to keep sitting.
Whoa!
Thank you. There we go.
Glow sticks everywhere. Wow! Thanks. Ah! Ah! We're about to get killed with glow sticks. Look, special effects. This is highly dangerous.
I'm actually dancing to the song.
Did you get a tattoo? She's got some sweet ink, which I can't really see. Oh.
You did a sympathy.
It's like pink. Nice. The bandana tosses were not reaching us back here, so he took Tristan up to get a sympathy bandana. Well done, well done.
We're gonna do the concert version, but we still need you to rock out. Can I get oh yeah? Oh yeah!
Before we get started, I gotta see some energy. I'm giving out free drinks.
So we have come back to the cabin to find that they did not give us the get off our ship heart. We got a towel animal. I'm excited, and he has a nose. I don't know if he's like a bear. Is he a bear? He might be a bear. He's so cute. So hey.
Good night.
Good night. We're back in the cabin.
Yeah.
Because it's nighttime, and that's what we do. Uh-oh. Update to the update. I was losing my voice a little bit earlier, too. We're having voicey little coffee things happening. Not good coffee, like coffee in the morning. You're gonna use sign language now.
Hello.
Cool. But we're back in the cabin for now. We're going to bed. It's what, just after 10 o'clock, I think.
I did that. I don't know.
You did? That was like a B, I think.
Bella.
Hello. Anyway,
I'm tired.
I wasn't.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, so we've been having a lot of that happening. Just lingering, weather changes, probably travel, who knows what.
I feel fine. I just sound horrible.
Yeah, I mean, we were taking airborne or emergency and random stuff, and it's fine. Every now and then you just get a little bit of cruise crud. But anyway, we're going to bed. We are getting up at about 6:30 to have breakfast tomorrow morning with the rest of the family that is leaving us tomorrow. So we're saying goodbye to Stephan, Heather, Chloe, Molly, Tristan, and Sierra tomorrow.
You got 'em all.
I got them. Never did really officially introduce them in the vlogs, but they've been around in bits and pieces.
Yeah.
So going to bed. Early breakfast tomorrow. We are back in Port Canaveral tomorrow, but it's back-to-back day for us, so we get to go through the back-to-back process again and see how it is. We're supposed to meet around 9:30 for that, and we'll go from there. So that's all I know. I really enjoyed the show tonight, the concert version of America Rocks. That was actually, it was really fun, I thought.
Because it was too windy for
rocky.
the dancers to dance.
Yeah, there wasn't a lot of wind on the stage, but
I mean,
too rocky for them too. The wind was causing the rocking.
Rocky.
And
Yeah, you know what I meant.
All right, we're going to sleep, so we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.